This is unboxing of Escapement time Flieger watch with big dial that I bought on AliExpress for $90. Look like they don't provide warranty, or they forgot to put warranty card in the box. So this is Flieger watch with Seiko NH35 automatic movement. Case size is 42. Case stick is 12.5. Lock to lock is 51. It's short Flieger like Stova, and lug width is 20. On the case back there is some nice aeroplane, but it looks like strange. And this is a generic case back, and on the higher priced model they use the see-through mineral glass case back, and on this model for cost performance they just put this funny picture of the aeroplane. I think that hour, minute and seconds hands look very good, and the screw down crown is also joy to use. There is hacking, as it is a Seiko movement, and it's all aligned. So for hands 5 points, screw down crown 5 points, but ziffer I'm not so enthusiastic about ziffer. It could be a little nicer, and I think it's a little misaligned about millimeter. I don't like leather strap, it's too short for me, and I didn't really much bother with this strap. Watch has a flat sapphire crystal, and I think there is missing air coating. It should be better if there is some air coating like on steel dive. There is a loom on the watch, but it's a mixed bag. It's somehow bluish, and it's not really clear, and it's too much information. If you look brand name Flieger, they with B dial they only aligned some numbers, but I think that screw down crown is misaligned about 2 millimeters. It's not in the center. I never see anything like this on any watch, and I think lugs are also little difference. And the back is a generic back from. So this watch is a mixed bag of good things and bad things. There is a potential, but final execution leaves a lot to be desired. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.